When I heard about metal printing the first time, my first thought was, okay, how could this ever work under serious conditions for industrialization? HP metal jet technology is really a game changer. So the goals for the collaboration is to succeed in short-term, mid-term and long-term aspects. So in short term, we would like to achieve the producibility of cosmetic parts. In mid-term, we would like to produce parts to increase functionality, and in long term, produce structural parts to increase weight saving and to increase crashworthiness and other functions for our properties.
We really work together as a team with HP and GKN, and we developed this project together. We not said, okay, this is a model and now print it, but we developed it together. We pushed us to the limits and beyond the limit. And at the end, we were able to produce one of the largest productions in AM in the world.
So we are very happy to pass the first milestone with a volume of more than 10,000 parts. And we did it within 4 weeks. And this is a complete new story. The industrialization of AM technologies now is really ready to go live to mass production. Metal jet technology can really be a game changer for automotive industry.